Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss and teach you guys an advice in buying your personal computer. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Buying a personal computer is a big investment. We spend big amount of money just to buy a computer for our day-to-day use in school, in work, in business, among others. So in this video, I will give you a valuable advice in buying your personal computer. Let's start with number 1. Consider your needs before you start shopping. Think about what you will be using your computer for. Will you be doing graphic design or video editing, or you will be primarily using it for word processing and web browsing? Knowing your needs will help you determine what kind of computer you should look for. According to the study of Babalula 2019. And then step number 2, choose a platform. The two most popular computer platforms are Windows and Mac OS. Windows machines are generally less expensive and more widely available, while Mac OS or Mac operating system machines are known for their sleek design and user-friendly interface. In the study of March 2020. And then tip number 3, look at specs or specification. When comparing computers, pay attention to the specifications. Some key factors to consider include processor speed, RAM or random access memory, storage capacity, and graphics capabilities, according to the study of Duchess 2019. Number 4, consider size and weight. If you plan to use your computer on the go, you want to look for a lightweight, portable option. Laptops are generally the most portable. For some, desktops also come with smaller form factors, according to the study of Moynihan 2021. And then lastly, read reviews. Before making a purchase, read reviews from other customers to get a sense of the computer's strengths and weaknesses. Sites like CNET and PCMag are good places to start, according to the study of Parkour 2021. So we have here several references that I use in my presentation or report. Barbalula 2019, how to choose the best computer for your needs. The Guardian. Second is The Guardian, the website. The Chess, how to choose the right computer for your needs. How to Geek. And then we have here by Mar, Windows versus Mac, which is better, according to Forbes. Moynihan 2021, the best lightweight computers for on-the-go computing, according to Wired magazine. And then lastly, we have here Parker 2021, the best desktop computers for 2021 CNET. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on advice in buying your personal computer. I hope this video will help you decide on what type of computer that you want to use in according to your needs and budget and other considerations that you must consider before you buy your personal computer. I hope that you learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.